Okay. Okay. So where were we? So I'm just finding a non-yellow middle piece on top layer. Okay. So first let me show you how to solve the cube. Then we'll go by doubts. Okay. So we got first step done. Okay. See, I'll give you summary. First step is you need to solve the white with small t. Okay. Whatever the formulas in your handout, you have first step to solve the white color with a small t. Okay. Second step formulas. Okay. Second step formulas are to fill the same colors without disturbing the white. Okay. Second step formulas are to fill the same colors, remaining two colors of your small t without disturbing the white. Okay. So in final step, what we will do is we'll solve the top yellow color without disturbing the white and the two layers. Okay. After solving yellow, the only step which is left over is to solve the complete cube. Okay. So where are we? We are discussing second step. Okay. My second step is incomplete. How? Because this step is still unsolved. Okay. This piece is still unsolved. So I need to find a non-yellow middle piece again. Okay. So it is here. So I matched it with full T. Okay. Now upper color of my T is green. The green small t is towards my right side. So I'm using right formula again. Okay. R, U dash, R dash, U dash, F dash, U. Okay. So my second step is done. That means all of my two colors with white is done. Okay. So don't worry about the top layer. Okay. So all of my second step colors are done. Second layer with white. Okay. Yes, there has. We'll get back to all doubts. Let me show how to complete today. Okay, so that we'll have doubts only tomorrow and tomorrow day after tomorrow only for doubts. Okay. So for you, if you want to solve this, you need to do practice very carefully. Okay. So you should not do U dash instead of U, R dash instead of R, because as you're approaching towards final step, one wrong move will disturb the entire cube. Okay. So you need to be very careful while moving your cubes. Okay. So once the second step is done, okay. Once the second step is done, we approach the final step. Okay. The first part of final step is to solve the yellow. The first part of final step is to solve the yellow. Okay. So for that, what we need to do, you need to observe the cube after second step is done. Okay. So my second step is done. When I'm observing my cube, I need to see the position of yellow now. Okay. I need to see the position of yellow. You need to see whether you have a straight line or not on the middle row. Okay. When you see plus, in the plus, what you'll have are two straight lines, right? In the plus, you'll have two straight lines. So after completion of second step, you need to see whether you have a straight line or not. If you don't have a straight line, you need to do the center formula of the final step. You have two formulas separately, center and straight. Okay. So you need to do the center formula if you don't get a straight line. Okay. So center formula is F U R U dash R dash F dash. Okay. So after you get the yellow plus, remember you used to get white plus in the first step. In the final step, first part, you need to get a yellow plus. Okay. After getting yellow plus, you need to see whether you have a corner or not. Okay. We will clear all doubts. Okay. So let me show first how it is done. Okay. Okay. So you need to see yellow plus in the first part of final step. Okay. So once you have yellow with one corner, you have one more formula, which is plus or plus with one corner. Okay. That formula is very easy. Okay. So if you get one corner with yellow, I want you to place that corner on your left side. Okay. And do the formula till you complete the color. Okay. Okay. So that is the formula R U R dash U R U U R dash. Okay. So again, see the corner, place it on your left side. Do the formula again. R U R dash U R U U R dash. Okay. See, yellow is solved, white is solved, and the two layers are also solved. Okay. So this is the first step of the final layer. Okay. This is the first step of the final layer. So what we'll do as a first step is the first step of cube, you will solve the white with all small t's. Okay. Once it is done, as a second step, you will match the remaining colors of your small t. Okay. So this indicates the second step is completely done. After that, you enter the final step. The first part of final step is to solve the yellow color. The next step is to solve the entire cube. Okay.
Shashank, please wait. Let sir finish the entire cube, then we will answer your questions.
Okay. So what I'll do, children, is I'll also make a video. Okay. And I'll give to ma'am, I'll send it to ma'am so that ma'am will forward the video to all of you so that you will have no doubts. Okay. Okay. We will also send the video by tomorrow morning. Okay. So before you guys attend tomorrow's session, all of you go through the video, practice the cube very well. Okay. I want you all to at least solve till second step tomorrow. Okay. So you have formulas as well. You know what is how to move each orientation. Okay. You have formulas, you will have video. I want you all to complete till second step while you guys will come for class tomorrow. Okay. So now I'm showing how to complete the cube in today's class. Okay. So and I will
Please
also
wait.
go through.
Let sir finish the cube, then we will answer your question.
We'll also go through doubts till 6:30 and you'll also get a video of how to solve the cube by tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Okay. Okay. See the video, have the formulas with you. Okay. Practice cube very well. And by tomorrow's session by 4:30, I want you to solve till the second step. All of you should come to class by solving the second step of cube. Okay. So let's see what's after this step. As a first part of final step is you will solve the yellow. Okay. After solving the yellow, which is what is the thing which is left over? You need to solve the remaining, you need to orient the remaining pieces of these colors. That's it, right? So after solving yellow, okay, see if you have any color with this position. Okay, all are solved and only one piece is left over. Okay, after solving yellow, observe the entire cube. Okay, and see whether you have any color with only one piece left over. Not necessarily red, it could be any color. So if you get any color with this position, you need to keep that back, keep that color on back side and do the formula. There is one more formula which is R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. Okay. So after that you will have different orientations. Like you see the entire cube is solved, but only one piece is left over for each color. Okay. Only one piece is left over for each color. So in this case, you have a final formula. Okay. You have a final formula, which is FFU. These are very big formulas. You can easily memorize them only if you practice the cube. Okay. So you need to practice the cube very well in order to get those formulas clearly. Okay. So once you, after solving the yellow, if you have any one color with this position, you need to put that color on backside of you and solve the formula which starts with R dash F R dash. Okay. Once you do that formula, you will have this position this way, or you will have one complete color solved. Okay, we'll cover that case tomorrow. Now this case, you have all colors left with only one piece. So in this case, I want you all to do the formula, last formula is F U L R dash F L dash R. Just give me a minute. I moved it wrong. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so sorry, I was doing the last formula, which is F U L dash L R dash F U dash. Okay, see the entire cube is solved. Okay, so I'm going back again to second step. Okay, U R U dash R dash. Okay, I'm solving the cube again from the beginning. Okay, I'm solving the cube again from beginning. I'll go from first step again. Okay, I'll solve the entire cube from first step again. I'll show you what formulas, I'll tell you what formulas to use. First step, okay, take the left hand,
1 minute,
middle finger
Megan.
on yellow center.
1 minute,
Okay.
Megan. I'll unmute them. Children, సో సార్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మీరు కూడా సార్తో పాటు చేయండి. డోంట్ టాక్ బట్ స్టార్ట్ ద క్యూబ్ అఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ సార్, సో దట్ మీరు ఎక్కడ ఏ స్టెప్ రాంగ్ చేస్తున్నారో మీకు తెలుస్తుంది సార్తో పాటు చేస్తూ ఉంటే. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఎలా ఉన్నా కానీ మీ క్యూబ్ ని డిస్టర్బ్ యువర్ క్యూబ్ అండ్ స్టార్ట్ అఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రమ్ along with and do it along with sir, and if you are missing any point just hold on. Okay, at the doubt section yes, sir will answer. Let answer complete the entire cube. Yes, the
ma'am, I got the plus.
Very good, so you are stuck with plus, so we'll go ahead with plus. Sir to part you can continue it. Okay children,
పోగొట్టాలా ma'am?
ఏంటి మోక్ష?
ఇప్పుడు వైట్ ప్లేస్ చేయమన్నాడు కదా మ్యామ్ సార్, అది కూడా అంటే డిస్టర్బ్ చేయాలా మ్యామ్ క్యూబ్ ని?
మొత్తం ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేసేసి మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చేయండి, సార్ తో పాటు చేయండి. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్స్ అవుతున్నాయి, మీరు ఎక్కడ స్లిప్ అవుతున్నారో మీకు కూడా తెలుస్తుంది మీ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి అన్నది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డోంట్ డిస్టర్బ్ సార్, లెట్ సార్ ఫినిష్ ద ఎంటైర్ క్యూబ్ టుడే. ఓకే, మీరు ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందో జస్ట్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ సో దట్ యు నో వేర్ ఈస్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. I'm solving it from beginning again. Okay. Find the yellow center. Place your middle finger on yellow center. Left thumb on white center. Okay. After that, get all 4 white middle pieces on your yellow center. Okay. One is already there. Find the remaining 3. Okay. So once you get all the 4 white middle pieces, okay, go with one middle piece at a time. See the adjacent color of the white. Okay. If you need to match the adjacent color with its center. Okay. So if it is matching, you need to do 2 R's. If it is not matching, you need to hold the top layer and match it by moving the 2 bottom layers at once. Okay. So now blue and blue are matching. So 2 R's. Okay. Now come to the next center. Okay. You have white and red now. Red center is not matching. Hold the top layer, move the bottom 2, match red and do 2 R's. Okay. So next, white and orange. It's not matching. So hold the top layer and move the bottom 2. Okay. So this is matching. So you need to do 2 R's. Now come to the next white. Green and green are matching. So do 2 R's. Okay. First step, you will get white plus with the 2 colors in the adjacent side. Okay. Next step is always put this white on the bottom. Always put white on the bottom and find the corners on the top layer. Okay. Find the corners on top layer. So on the top layer, take a white corner and keep that corner always on your right side. Okay. So you also might find corner on your left side. So what you need to do is just move the cube this way so that the corner comes on your right side. Okay. So keep the corner on right side. See what are the colors that are adjacent to that white. Okay. And match those centers on your front and right sides. Okay. Match the adjacent color of white corner centers on your front and right side. Okay. Match the adjacent color of your white corner centers on your front and right side and see the position of white. So if it is right side, you need to do first step right formula once. R, U, R dash, U dash. Okay. So similarly, find for other corners, match the centers based on the position of white, do the formula, how many times it is required. Okay. So I'm doing for all the corners. Okay. So my white is solved with small t. Don't worry about the other pieces in second row. First step is solve white with small t. Okay. Solve white with small t. After this, listen carefully. Okay. After solving first step. Okay. After solving first step, what you need to do is find the non-yellow middle pieces on your top layer. So when I say top layer, this is the top layer. Okay. Find the non-yellow middle piece on your top layer. Non-yellow means you should not have any yellow color as a middle piece. Okay, so this has yellow piece, so don't consider this piece. So this piece don't have yellow. So take this piece, one piece at a time again. Okay, what you need to do is match the color which is on your face with a full T. Okay, so here I have red and green. I matched the red towards full T. Get the full T. How to match this? Okay, I'll take one more piece as an example. See, here it is not matching. Okay, blue and orange is the non-yellow middle piece. So here this center is not match, the color is not matching with the small t. Okay, so what I'm doing is hold the top layer and move again bottom 2 layers at a time and match it with the full blue. Okay, here the blue is matching now. Okay, full T. So what you need to do is, after matching the full T, see the upper color of the blue, which is orange. Okay, once you have your cube, see whether orange small t is on your left side or right side. Okay, see whether your small orange small t is on your left side or right side. Based on that, do the second step formula. Okay, if it is left, do left correctly. If it is right, do right correctly. Or else, again, you have to start from the first step. Okay, be careful. After matching the full T, see the upper color of the blue or whatever the middle piece you matched it. Okay, so see the upper color and see the small t of the upper color, whether it is on left side or right side. Okay, if it is left, do the left formula. If it is right, do the right formula. Okay, so here I am taking another piece as an example, red and blue, which is a non-yellow middle piece. Okay, this is matched with the full T already. It is having blue on the top, so blue is towards the left. Okay, blue small t is left towards the red, so do left formula. Okay, so if you don't find any non-yellow on your top layer, okay, if you don't find any non-yellow on top layer, do the right or left formula once, so that the non-yellow middle pieces in second layer will be shifted to upper layer. Okay, please keep in mind, while solving the second step, white color in the bottom should not be disturbed. Okay, white color in the bottom should not be disturbed. Okay, so what you need to do now is match all the colors and complete the second step.
Darahas and Anirudh, please wait. Let sir finish the cube, okay?
Okay, so now my second step is solved. After second step, see the position of yellow on the top. Okay, see the position of yellow on the top. If you get any straight line of yellow in the plus, do the straight formula, which is in your formula sheet. If you don't have the straight case, okay, do the center formula. So once you get the plus of yellow color, till the color completes, you need to do the same formula, which is there on your final step third formula, which is R U R dash U R U U R dash. It's a, so final step formulas are a bit lengthy, but you need to firstly, to solve the cube, you can see the formulas and do it. But if you keep on practicing, you can memorize them very easily. Okay. So once you got yellow plus, till the color completes, you need to do the same formula. R U R dash U R U U R dash. U U R dash. Okay. R U U R dash. Okay. So once white, you will see white is yellow is solved. Okay. You need to see yellow is solved. So next step is you need to find any color which will have all but only one unsolved. Okay, you might get one complete color, but you should not consider this. You need to have only one color. You need to have a color which will be completed in all phases except the middle piece. Okay, so now you don't have any, so you have the formula R dash F R dash. You need to do that formula. Okay. So once you'll get all the sides solved with only one piece left over. Okay, so then you need to do the final formula F U So this is one more final step. So in the final step, you will get one color solved, but only 3 colors unsolved. Okay, one color solved and 3 colors unsolved. So in this case, what you need to do in the final formula is you need to see how the pieces should move. Okay? So red should come here and blue should come here. So for me, this orients as U. So in the final formula, you need to do FFU. Okay. If it is otherwise, you need to do FFU dash. Okay. The final step of this is a bit confusing. So if you are familiar till the second step, we'll have tomorrow's session completely dedicated for final step. Okay. So I'm just solving the cube completely now and we'll get back to doubts for today. Okay. Okay. Let's come to doubts.
Now you can unmute yourself and ask doubts.
Sir.
Sir,
One
sir,
by
Sir,
one.
I am still at the plus, sir. Sir, remind sir me Anirudh.
Okay, one student at a time. Anirudh plus. Darhas, what is your question?
ma'am, the second step, ma'am, again.
Second step again. Anybody has any other doubts? You want to raise questions?
Ma'am, while doing the yellow straight plus, should we keep the yellow on the top or to the face or it should be facing us?
Okay. Okay, one more doubts. See, why we are asking all your doubts is sir will be making a video and he'll be sending us before tomorrow 10 a.m. Okay, what all your doubts, sir, please ask now. All those doubts will be clarified in that video. Okay, now we are running short of time, Gada. We have 6:15 is the time. 6:30 we have art class again. So what all doubts are there? Please ask sir so that he will answer it in a video. And I will post it
Tell
in
us
our
the
group.
second step, sir.
Second step, sir will tell. What is the other doubt? Anybody has any?
Yeah, so ask doubts independently. I'll write it down. I'll make a video for that. Okay. So
Sir.
Sir, can you explain the second step
one
again?
by one, please. One by one, please.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, while
Yes,
doing
yes.
the yellow plus, should we keep the yellow on the top or it should be facing us?
Yellow on the top. So white on the bottom, yellow on the top always, Purvi. So this is the thumb rule. Yellow should always be on the top. White should always be on the bottom. Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Darha, second step.
my doubt is, can you explain the second step again, sir?
Okay. Second step. Okay. Any other doubts?
Sir,
I'm getting confusing at second step, sir.
sir,
Okay.
sir,
Second
I
step.
did till only the plus, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. How many people
Even you
have
have to
doubt?
understand one thing. Sir will send us a video. ఆ వీడియోలో మీకు ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్తే ఆ వీడియోలో సార్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. Now sir is not going to answer your doubts right away. Okay. So మీకు సెకండ్ స్టెప్ కావాలంటే yes, second step will be there in the video. Okay, you have a plus symbol దగ్గర మీకు ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది అనుకుంటే yes, sir will answer that also. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Raise your hands and ask the questions.
Okay. I heard people have doubts at second step. 2 people at second step. 2 people did not understand second step. Any other doubts?
Sampath, you have any doubt?
Yes,
Ask.
sir. Sir, final step దానిలో కొన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ మ్యాచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
Which formula?
Center
So I'll make a clear video on when to use center and when to use.
part 1 దానిలో center match అవ్వట్లేదు.
So
is observing the paper.
Sir, someone's voice is Excuse me, sir. Joyce, sir.
Madam.
Joycey, please wait. Sampath is asking question. No, let Sampath finish. Then you can ask your question.
Yes, Sampath.
Actually, when you're telling the final step formula, the part 1 and part 2 are not matching the sheet, I guess. You're telling R, F dash, F, and R. So, but it was
So
B,
there are
so
about there are about 5 formulas in the final step alone. So we'll have a separate video sent out bits by bits for each step. What should be final step part A formulas? What should be used in final step part B? So that you'll have a clear idea. Okay.
And sir,
Yes, Sampath.
you did not explain the back anti-clockwise.
You don't use back anti-clockwise anywhere in your formulas.
Ma'am, sir, but it's in the paper.
It's in, sorry.
It's in my paper, sir.
Yeah, I just gave it to understand what are the different types of moves in a cube, right? So in our formula, we don't use D, okay? We don't use D down, and we also don't use B mostly. We'll only use right, left, up. Most of the formulas are based on up, right, and left, okay? So you will have, basically in a cube, you'll have n different number of methods to solve a cube. So, okay, in our method, we don't use the down part mostly. Okay, I don't remember, we don't have a back formula also, we don't have B dash also, we only have B. That too in the final step part B, that is R dash F R dash B B R F dash B B R R. Okay, you don't need to worry about back anti-clockwise. Okay, so you might find different formulas, but this is the easiest formula. You will find hundreds of formulas, but this is the easiest. You will have the entire cube with you in 9 formulas, 5 final step formulas, 2 second step formulas, and only 1 formula for first step. It is totally 8 formulas only to solve a cube under 2 minutes. Okay, if you want to solve it more less time, you need to memorize more formulas. Okay, so this is the easiest method where you don't have to use D down and B anti-clockwise also. Okay, it's mostly practice the moves mostly which are related to front. Practice more how to move front clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Okay, and practice how efficiently you need to move up and up anti-clockwise. Okay, so this will be very critical when you are ascending to your next steps, because one move in a reverse could bring you to step 1 again. Okay, so please be careful while making these moves, which is front clockwise and front anti-clockwise, left clockwise, left anti-clockwise, U clockwise, and U anti-clockwise. Okay, because everybody will be easily familiar on right side, because most of us are right-handed people. Okay, so you'll easily move the right clockwise and right anti-clockwise, but when it comes to left and up, you will get confused. So before starting to solve the cube, okay, move the up, left, front very frequently, or do practice these moves more times, so that when you do in the formula, you do it correctly. Okay, so till now I got two doubts. Is second step a dedicated video for second step, okay, and a dedicated video for plus and how to solve white color. Okay, and also another video of how to solve the final step part A, final step part B. Okay, so you'll have 5 videos. First step, I told you there is no formula to get white centers on the yellow center, white middle pieces on yellow center. That wholly depends on your practice. Okay,
Anybody
totally
has
your
any
practice.
other doubts related to this? Sir has already said he will make 5 videos for 5 formulas, and so that you can complete the cube. By tomorrow 4:30 p.m. you have to practice and finish till second step. Okay, so final step we will practice along with sir. And please practice all the formulas, how to move it. Okay, in the right format. మీరు ఆర్ అన్నప్పుడు ఆర్ డాష్ చేయడం, యూ అన్నప్పుడు యూ డాష్ చేయడం చేస్తే మీకు క్యూబ్ ఎప్పటికీ సాల్వ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఫస్ట్ నో ద మూవ్స్, హౌ టు మూవ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ ప్రాపర్ వే, ఇన్ అన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వే, without disturbing the white color at the bottom. Okay, how to hold the cube, how to keep it in the position. All those things are important.
Rubik's Cube జరుగుతుంది. అప్పుడు
Okay, students, any other doubts? So I told.
Who
Yes,
is
yes.
there? Who is there?
Ma'am, someone's voice.
Yes, yes.
And Joyce is madam.
Joyce, tell me, what is your
Sir,
question?
last layer, sir. Sir, I can't do third layer, sir.
Okay, sir will
Undo
send you
top
video.
layer.
You can sit along with the video and practice it. Okay.
Ma'am, voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay. We will wind up the session for today, children. Okay. And we will meet at 6:30 for the art class. Today we have mandala art. So it's a very beautiful art. You have to concentrate for that also. So let's have a 8-minute break. It's already 6:22. So let's have
Ma'am, last time I did that art.
Okay, let's do it again with Srinidhi teacher. Okay, so please join us back at 6:30 p.m. for Mandala Art, and for Rubik's Cube class tomorrow again at 4:30 p.m. And with practice. Without practice, please don't join. Okay, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఎలాగా, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ప్లస్ ఎలాగా, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మళ్ళీ నాకు ఈ మిడిల్ పీసెస్ రావట్లేదు అని అడగండి. ఓకే, సో let the session 1 hour session be more productive. Tomorrow we will be solving the final step along with sir. Till second step, look at the video and try to practice and finish it off till tomorrow 4:30 p.m. Okay, children? Bye bye.
Sir,
Yeah.
look at this.
Okay,
Good.
ma'am.
Good, Sampath. Tomorrow we will continue our Rubik's Cube session. Bye. Please join me at 6:30 for arts class again. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.